going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today we're here at the Island View Waterside. The range for these properties are around 1.3 to 1.6, but yeah, let's go ahead and tour it. All right. So plan 2, we have the bathroom right behind us. All right. We got the full bathroom right there. That's the garage. Hey Corey, that's the garage, yeah? And then, so all of this is the garage? Okay, go check this out. Plan 2. Hey, can you check the map to see how much plan 2 is going for?
Yeah.
Okay.
Between 1.4 to 1.5.
1.4 to 1.5?
Yeah.
1.4 to 1.5. So here's the kitchen, and here's the view. So we're going to be touring Plan 1, Plan 2, and Plan 3. So this is Plan 2, 1.4 to 1.5. I like the, so this is 1.4 to 1.5, depending on how much upgrades you want to do.
That's before the upgrades.
1.4, 1.5 before the upgrades?
Yeah.
And then I know that he did say that there's HOA in this community.
Yes. So for the Waterside, I believe that was like in the low 400s. So I think it was like 420, 425 or something.
420, 425?
For the Waterside. So this is the Waterside collection.
Yeah.
So this model home is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's
Now,
worth it, in my opinion.
For 1.4, so we're here down in Alameda County. We're up facing the north side of the island. And from what we're hearing is that there's a lot of activities, and it's more of the walkability of all the nightlife type of stuff here. So here's one of the bedroom. So this unit has, let me double check the bathroom right here. Okay. You got the barn door, the master bath. See, I just love the fact that they have all these water view, you know?
Yeah.
This model is actually really nice.
Yeah.
And then what we've discovered here also as well, we'll show you guys on our app on what's all the development. I mean, let's go ahead and check this out.
It's a beautiful view.
Yeah, it's a nice, beautiful view. Oh, that's where Corey, that's where he was talking about how they are developing the luxury apartment, and that's the commercial area. So it's like living upstairs and work downstairs type of vibe, and
Also,
the luxury apartment and all that good stuff.
Also check out here in the closet, you also have a water view.
Yeah, this closet is really spacious. So I guess what I'm gonna do with this video, guys, is I'm just gonna make this a long form content. I'm gonna make this super long.
Let's go upstairs.
Just so then you can see. So now I guess I'll just combine all of it for Plan 1, Plan 2, and then Plan 3. So we're currently looking at Plan 3 right now. So Plan 3, which is nice. This is Plan 3. And then what I'll probably do is I'll probably chop it up, you know? So, I like how they have the music. Okay, so this is the third level.
Oh, this is so cute.
Okay, so we're upstairs in the patio area.
I love the patio.
Okay, so this is a vibe. Yeah, this is a vibe right here. So you see those bay water right there.
Oh, this is where the solar is.
So the solar is, yeah, so how much is a solar? How much does it cost to purchase a solar?
11,000.
Yeah, guys, so it costs about $11,000 to purchase a solar. You can lease it out too.
So when you buy a home here,
Yeah.
It's already automatically, the lease for the solar is already included.
Yeah.
You would have to tell them like, hey, I want to purchase the solar, and then you can, you know, put it on top of your mortgage or put the money down as like a down payment.
Yeah, no, this is a very nice patio area. And even with those, they have a unit, which is unit, I believe, 8 on that thing right there, and which is unit 48 right there, Waterside. And that one right there is currently going for about 1.4 million, right? Which is the residence 1. And we'll tour that. It's literally right there. And you have a nice little water view, nice sky deck and everything, which is really nice. But yeah, those are the walkability
So this
section
one,
right there. Huh? Unit 2, babe. So unit 2 is the water view, unit
Right.
2, which is 2,581 square feet. They don't have that available. It's sold
yep,
for right
sold
now.
out for
But
now.
that's one of the most popular plan, which is nice. Let's go check out unit 1 and 3, and let's ask Corey to open the door for us real quick. You know?
Corey.
Huh?
Corey. Oh look, there's a closet in here. That's
Guys,
cute.
if you like this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are now serving the Bay Area, all of Northern California, Portland, Fresno, Clovis, and all that good stuff. Anyways,
There's a closet in here. It's really good.
yeah, that's the closet right there.
Yeah, so you can put storage in there if you need to.
So this one has 3 bedrooms, right, babe? This one has 3 bedrooms?
I believe so.
Yeah. I think it's 3, yeah. No, there's 4 because there's 3 right here in the middle side.
And then there's one downstairs.
And then there's 1 downstairs.
So there's 4.
And then there's 4. Okay. Yeah, I like this area too.
Yeah, it's very spacious.
Yeah, I don't really mind this nice water view. It's really nice. You
I
know?
want it.
I know, right? For 1.5, with the upgrades, I'm sure there's a lot premium. I would pay.
Oh, there is a lot premium. It's another 300,000 to 400,000 if you want
The water
this
view?
type of view. Yeah,
Yeah, let's keep pushing.
but I think it's worth the premium
Yeah.
for
I think this is the
how much view you get.
Dude, we love that model. Yeah. Dude, how much you said the premium for the water view is?
We don't really have a number on it yet.
Yeah.
But
What do we
it
think?
could be anywhere from 200,000 to 400,000. Ultimately, we're gonna auction off these
Yeah.
lots, so just whatever the market dictates.
That's cool. Let's go check out. I want to check out number. So we're at 2. Let's go check out 1 and then 3. Yeah, let's go check it out. Man, that one is super nice. Gosh,
I love that.
Dude, it's so nice and.
Almost everything I envisioned.
Yeah.
What are we missing?
Dude, we're not missing anything else.
Detached
honestly.
home.
I think for the price, you can't beat it.
Or like a single family. It'd be even better if it's a single family.
Yeah. So this is unit 2, yeah?
This is our buffer unit that we discussed.
Okay. Buffer unit. Plan 1. 3 bedroom, 3.5, 2,189 square feet. All right. So plan 1. Beautiful. Thank you, good sir.
All right.
Thank
And
you.
when you're done with this one, just come find me. I can open plan 3.
Okay,
Okay,
cool.
will do.
Thank you. Okay, so this is plan 1. Let's go check it out. Okay, so the downstairs has the little gym / working out area.
Ooh, I love this.
Plan 1, babe, how much is it currently going for?
Plan 1.
Yeah.
Are you talking about this one?
Yeah, so that's residence 1, yeah.
Yeah, so 1.4.
So it's currently going for 1.4. They have actually this model that is available to buy, and that's the price right there, 1.4. They did a $60,000 worth of upgrade.
Yeah.
You know. Okay, so the downstairs has a nice bathroom and shower and everything. And then,
I'd say this is plan 1.
yeah, there's 2 car garage and everything. All right. Let's go straight upstairs, plan 1. So 1.4 for this
Ooh,
one.
this is pretty. I like the white cabinets more than this color because the white one brightens up the space.
White one brighten up the space.
Yeah, this one's a little bit dark, but it's good for neutral if you like the warm feel to the home.
And guys, this is like our first time touring this property too. And it's really nice. And again, guys, if you're looking to buy, let us know. Our contact information is down below. And you can schedule an appointment with us. Go to buywithpham.com. We'd love to help you guys out. What's over there? I think that's like the balcony and possibly like the bathroom.
There's a balcony right here. See, there's a door that leads to the balcony.
Yep.
And then you have the bathroom right here, powder room.
The powder room?
Yeah.
The half bath? All right. Let's go check out the upstairs real quick. Got the pantry and everything. Yep. It's not bad.
There's a
So
bedroom right
this is the
here.
Landsea in Alameda.
And then this is the master.
That's the master? Okay, give me a second. So this is the half bath. Hey guys, are you ready to take the first step toward home ownership? Book your free appointment now and jump on our Google/Zoom meeting calendar at buywithpham.com and start your home buying journey and learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more when buying. We'll go over all the programs that are available for you for first-time home buyer, teachers, doctors, police officers, and all the programs out there that can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. So guys, we're now serving the Bay Area, all of Northern California, including Sacramento area. Also, we have partner agents in Fresno, Clovis, and all of Central Valley, along with Portland, Oregon, Northern, Southern California, including Irvine's and also Orange County. So guys, if you're looking to save a ton of money when it comes to buying, jump on our calendar, go to buywithpham.com, and we'll go over all the programs out there that can help you save quite a bit. All right, guys, look forward to helping you out. Peace and love. Are you a real estate agent looking to level up your sales and marketing? We just created a free course. Discover how you can add an extra $343,000 a year in profit consistently by selling new construction homes using system, automations, and internet marketing, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in your real estate business. Even if you're a brand new agent with little marketing budget, nobody knows who you are. In this training, you'll learn how to find a niche and position yourself as an expert in your local market so then you can be popular and dominate your competition. You'll learn how to get endless stream of online lead, chasing you down daily, begging to help you represent them with their real estate purchase. You'll also learn how to automate your business and get the best sales agent in your market to prospect leads for you 24/7 without ever complaining, leaving you, or taking a break. So in this webinar, you'll be learning a lot of cool stuff. We're looking for a couple of agents who's looking to grow their sales and marketing. So if this is something that you're interested in, go ahead and register for your free training. Go to newconstructionclass.com, where we'll go over how we went from zero to making north of $300,000 a year consistently in a brand new market. So if you guys like this type of stuff, go check it out. We're looking to help a couple of people a month, so do check it out. Anyways, James here. Peace and love.